What am I about to do?
You are about to roll down the hallway in a chair and get some water.
Is that right?
That is right.
Here I go. Bye. Rolling down the hallway. Rolling down the hallway. Lunch just got out. Hey, what up, Andrew? I'm trying to get some water. Say hi to the camera. I'm trying to get some water. I'm getting water on the hallway on a chair. I'm on a chair. I don't feel like standing up, so I'm getting water on a chair. So, wait until the hall dies down. Yeah. Sunny. I'm gonna be late though, it's gonna start. I'll be there early. Cause I gotta do that talent show crowd. Yes, I have to touch my penis. See you guys later. I don't feel like standing up.
Well, where are you at?
What?
Definition of amazing.
Exactly.
I know, right? Isn't that great?
So you're just out here in the hallway taking random pictures?
No, I'm taking a video of myself rolling around.
Yeah, funny.
Hey Tiffany, what's up?
Hey.
It's gonna be a great video. Hey. Caroline. I'm back. I've got water. Rolling around. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, guys. Hi.
What are you doing?
I just took a video of myself rolling around all in the water.